Usually, the stars we can see in the night sky reach millions of degrees Celsius. This intense heat allows nuclear fusion to occur, the process that powers stars. This light travels through space and allows us to see stars, even though they may be trillions of kilometers away. Stars are primarily composed of gas, mainly hydrogen and helium. The immense gravity of the star pulls this gas inward, creating a spherical shape. Stars come in a variety of sizes, ranging from much smaller than our Sun to supergiants that are thousands of times larger. The color of a star is related to its surface temperature. Hotter stars appear blue or white, while cooler stars appear red or orange.
Stars follow a life cycle, transitioning through stages, including birth, maturity, and eventual death. These high temperatures are crucial for nuclear fusion, the process that powers stars. In nuclear fusion, hydrogen atoms are fused together to form helium, releasing tremendous amounts of energy in the process. The naked eye can only see stars in our Milky Way galaxy and a few from nearby galaxies. These stars are all relatively close to us on a cosmic scale, and their immense heat and light travels vast distances to reach us. The stars we see with the naked eye are all outside our solar system, and some are incredibly far away. They can be thousands, even millions of light years distant. Since light has a finite speed, when we see a star with our naked eye, we are essentially seeing it as it was when the light left the star. The light has been traveling for years, sometimes thousands of years before reaching our eyes. Therefore, you are indeed seeing the stars in the past. In some cases, the stars we see might not even exist anymore, having reached the end of their lifespans after the light left them. The solar system is our cosmic neighborhood, a vast region of space bound by the sun's gravity. The sun is the center of the solar system, a giant ball of hot plasma that generates light and heat through nuclear fusion. There are 8 planets currently recognized orbiting the sun in our solar system. Planets can be broadly categorized into 2 groups: inner planets, also known as terrestrial planets, which are closer to the sun and composed primarily of rock and metal. These include Mercury, the smallest planet, Venus, the hottest planet, Earth, our home, and Mars, the red planet. The outer group consists of outer planets, gas giants, which are farther from the sun and composed mainly of gas. These include Jupiter, the largest planet, Saturn, known for its rings, Uranus, an ice giant, and Neptune, also an ice giant. There are 5 dwarf planets, smaller celestial bodies that orbit the sun, but don't meet all the criteria to be classified as full planets. Asteroids are rocky objects, mostly found in a belt between Mars and Jupiter. Comets are ice bodies that orbit the sun and develop a glowing tail when they get closer to the sun. The solar system also includes minor objects like meteoroids, small rocky or metallic objects, interplanetary dust, and Kuiper belt objects, icy objects beyond Neptune's orbit. Scientists believe the solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago from a giant cloud of gas and dust called a nebula. Gravity pulled the material together, forming the sun at its center.
The remaining material flattened into a disk and gradually clumped together to form the planets and other objects. Understanding our solar system helps us understand how planetary systems form and evolve. It can also shed light on the possibility of life existing elsewhere in the universe. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is estimated to contain hundreds of billions of stars, not 1,000 galaxies.
1,000 galaxies is a much larger number and refers to the estimated number of galaxies in our local group. The local group is a small cluster of galaxies gravitationally bound to each other. The observable universe is thought to contain billions or even trillions of galaxies. The Milky Way galaxy, which contains hundreds of billions of stars, is one of many galaxies in the universe.
The Milky Way belongs to a local group that contains thousands of galaxies. The solar system belongs to our galaxy, the Milky Way, which contains hundreds of billions of stars. The Milky Way is just one of many galaxies in the universe, and these galaxies are often grouped together in clusters, like our local group, which contains thousands of galaxies. The Sun is just one of the countless stars within the Milky Way. The observable universe is the entirety of space and time that we can potentially observe. While the exact size is unknown, it's estimated to be billions or even trillions of light years across and contain countless galaxies. Galaxies are not evenly distributed throughout space. Instead, they tend to cluster together due to gravity. A galaxy cluster is a large group of galaxies containing thousands or even tens of thousands of individual galaxies. The Milky Way is part of a small galaxy cluster called the local group. Galaxy clusters are further interconnected by long, thread-like structures called galaxy filaments. These filaments stretch for millions of light years and contain gas, dust, and dark matter, along with galaxy clusters embedded within them.
They form a vast cosmic web that structures the large-scale distribution of matter in the universe. Even grander structures exist. Galaxy clusters themselves can group together to form superclusters. These are the largest known bound structures in the universe, containing hundreds or even thousands of galaxy clusters. The Virgo supercluster is the supercluster our local group is part of.
Our solar system is indeed enormous, with planets stretching across billions of kilometers. But compared to the Milky Way galaxy, it's like a tiny marble in a giant stadium. The Milky Way is estimated to be around 100,000 light-years across, meaning it would take light, the fastest thing in the universe, 100,000 years to travel from one end to the other. Our solar system, on the other hand, is only about 8 light-minutes wide. Even though our solar system seems huge by human standards, it's just a speck in the grand scheme of our galactic neighborhood. Thank you for watching. This is Gina. I worked alongside Tony and Leah. Thank you.